Let's go over the daily bias before market opens. If you haven't looked at it, go look at it. You look at the 2 hour time frame. We've inversed this 2 hour bullish gap that we created when we went up and took all-time highs during Asia session. And we clearly have a draw towards this previous day low, right? It's super obvious. Look at all of this bearish movement all going towards previous day low. We have an SMT at London highs, bearish SMT at London highs. ES took London highs, NQ did not. And then right after that, we inversed this 30-minute bearish gap. And now we have a 30-minute bearish gap here. We have a 15-minute bearish gap here. So what I'm thinking is when market opens in 2 minutes, this is going to become a 30-minute bearish gap, sorry. So I'd like to see price manipulate higher, tap into both of these 30 minutes, and then we could potentially catch shorts to previous day low. So that's idea number one. I've been to Ibiza 3 times, and bro, every time I literally have to refine myself. Like Ibiza's a dangerous place, bro. Yeah, but that's why it's so nice to like set conditions, where it's like, all right, this 5 minute gets inversed. We're gonna be bearish until this next unfilled five. This unfilled five gets tapped in. Now we can just see how price reacts to it. All right, I'm gonna take this 1 minute on ES. That inverse? I can't tell if that inverse. Fuck, bro. ES always does this. The fake outs on ES are crazy, bro. As I'm literally checking if it inversed, it just completely inversed the move. Thought it closed up here. I clicked the button and then the last millisecond it just cuts back and it wasn't a true inverse. But by that time I'm already in. I made a mistake. Pre-fired 1 second too early. Now I'm gonna pay for it. There it is. Alright, this 1 minute on NQ is gonna bang. Alright, you know what? Just because you said that, I'm not gonna forward test it and I'm actually gonna take it. If I lose this trade, it's because of Pippen. If I win it, it's because I'm the GOAT. If we would have inversed the five, I would 100% hold this. But since we didn't inverse the five, I moved my stop down to confirm $900 in profit here. All right, comeback season, comeback season, comeback season, comeback season, comeback season. Let's fucking go. Comeback season. That's how you fucking do it. Did someone say comeback season? Because I heard comeback season in the back of my head. It's not revenge trading if you win. That's what you guys don't understand. It's not revenge trading if you win. Bro, if you know it's a lock, if you know the next trade is a lock, it's not revenge trading. Cause cause I knew this 3 minute was a lock. And that's how you go from being down 800 to down zero. Ole. Top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning. Okay. Now let's get serious. Top of the morning, top of the morning. Top of the morning. Today was hectic. Today was hectic to say the least, but somehow we made it out alive. Let's go look at the trades we took today. So just off looking at my screen, you can see that we did a lot today. We definitely did a lot today. Some trades not so proud of, some trades I'm proud of. Some trades were just really unfortunate, like fake out entry, but let's go over exactly what happened today. So, had a bullish by higher time frame bias coming into the morning, but I was bearish until previous day low got swept, right? So I'm bearish until previous day low gets swept. I see ES is close to the NWOG, the new week opening gap, and I see that it also has previous day low still intact, while confirming bearish structure. The 4 hours bearish, the 2 hours bearish, the 1 hours bearish. So I was extremely bearish until previous day low got swept. Now let's go to the first trade that we took. So then we took out the previous day low and we came up and created 5-minute bullish structure. Okay, so I saw that we took the previous day low on NQ. Look, we took this previous day low, we took this previous day low, we had a good manipulation lower, and then we created 5-minute structure. So we created 5-minute structure on ES. I saw that we tapped into both 5-minute bullish gaps. I saw a 1-minute inverse, so I wanted to take it. What ended up happening here is that this 1-minute inverse didn't actually inverse. So it was 2 ticks above, looked like it was going to get inverse with 1 second left. So I click buy, and then the second I clicked buy, it pulled back and actually didn't end up inversing this 1 minute. I got stopped out because by the time I went to cancel my position, when I realized that it didn't inverse the 1 minute, we were all the way down here. So that was just an unfortunate entry mistake on my part, because I wouldn't have entered the trade if it didn't inverse the 1 minute. I thought it inversed the 1 minute. It didn't. I entered, got stopped out. That was the first trade. But yeah. Then let's move to NQ, right? Then we got stopped out. We tapped into this 5-minute bullish gap again. Both 5 minutes got retested. And then we had a 1-minute inverse. This was the highest time frame inverse. We had equal highs above. So I took the inverse and got stopped out again. So that's the second loss of the day, right? At this point, I'm down like 800 on the day. It's looking choppy as fuck. And I realized that I'm trying to catch longs for no reason. I'm trying to catch longs when we still have the new week opening gap to get filled. ES is looking bearish. NQ is looking bearish. I need to stop trying to long. So what happens here is that we come up and tap into this 10-minute bearish gap. So we come up, we tap into this 10-minute bearish gap, and then we have, what was it? Was it a 1 minute, or I think it was a 2 minute, something like that. That was the 3 minute. Okay, so we come up, we tap into the 10-minute, we keep disrespecting and creating bearish SMTs with ES, because ES, as you can see, came up all the way up here, created a bearish SMT on the 5-minute time frame, tapped into the 10-minute bearish gap, 3-minute inverse. I took this trade and it ended up hitting full TP, making all of the money back that I lost on the first 2 trades with this short, right? I tried to long twice, got stopped out, hit this banger short, and made all of that money back. So I'm break even at this point. And then I see that we're respecting this 5-minute again, and then we get another 5-minute entry. So I take this 5-minute entry. Once ES took out this internal high, I went break even, and this ended up being a break even trade. So break even all around, and yeah, just ending off the day break even. It could have gone better, it could have gone worse. Choppy price action. Honestly, kind of got lucky there that we're ending off break even, because the psych was bad. When I saw the that sounds dumb. When I saw the choppy price action, I should have just stopped trying to long and waited for a cleaner entry. So could have played it better. Mental note was taken. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Much love. Peace.